How to create home on Google Home app. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to create a home on the Google Home app. So let's get started. First, open Google Home application on your device. Now once you are logged in, you can see this create a home, like create home right here. Tap on it. Now just you can enter your home name, enter it. Now once you enter it, tap on next. Now you can enter your home address. First select your country from here. Now once you select it, enter your address like this, enter your city, enter your postal code. Once you enter it, tap on next. Just close it for now, and in this way your home will be created. That's it. This is how easy it is to create home on Google Home. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.